Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. Working on the RV, it's almost camp day, got about a day and a half left before it's time to go. Still so much to do. Honestly, just trying to do whatever I can to get it done. Really today I want to work on the other bed since we got this tabletop bed done. I have another bed back there, but I'm always working on beds. I want to do a little something different. So real quick, I'm actually working my refrigerator. That thing looks pretty bad. It's in rough shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and upholsterize my refrigerator. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm gonna redo it. Never redid a refrigerator before, but I got some ideas. I'm kind of excited about it. I think I could definitely make it good and salvage it. And it's gonna go from trash to really, really nice. So I'm gonna redo it, repaint it, take it apart. I don't know, hope it works out. Stay tuned and see what happens. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get this thing cleaned up because it looks pretty nasty. I don't know if you could tell. Yeah, there it goes. It's pretty gross, but honestly, I'm pretty sure it's going to clean up nicely, and then I'm going to refurbish this thing and get it real good. Oh yeah, guys, you won't be able to recognize it. Let's just get it done. So what I'm planning to do is make a custom trim border for my fridge, kind of like something like this. Make a little spacer. That way, just gonna go over my edges, and I'm gonna wrap this with that black stitched material also for my plates. I'm gonna do that too. Hopefully it's gonna turn out great. I don't know. We'll see at the end. So there's my pieces right there. I got my trim two sides. I'm still gonna wait to do the top and the bottom later. Man, that took a while, not gonna lie. I thought it'd be a lot quicker than that, but that's the idea right there. Let's go ahead and insert it into our fridge and see what it looks like. All right guys, there we go. Refrigerator is done, all trimmed out. I think it looks fantastic. Better than OEM. I mean, where else do you get a custom upholstered refrigerator? It looks pretty cool. There's some trim pieces I still need to order, replace, but I think it'll be good for now. I can go camping with it. It looks nice, let's keep going. Okay, so it's finally time to work on the other bed. Let's figure out what's going on here. How do I get a bed? Do I need a mattress? Do I have cushions? Where does that table go? lot to figure out. I know there's seat belts over here, there's the pole. I mean, we'll figure it out. Let's bring it in and put it together. Okay, so there is my other bedside piece I got reupholstered. Kind of looks like a pull-out bed, I guess. It's got a whole bracket system going on. Interesting. Gotta go see what's going up with that. But man, every time I used to walk past this fridge, I was like, oh, it's so ugly. Now it's like, ooh-wee. I mean, just look at this thing. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, made in USA. It is gorgeous. I love it. Turned out fantastic. So clean. Now I'm ready to use it. But anywho, it looks like I got some brackets right here. I'm gonna see how that pull-out couch bed thing works. Let's get it mounted. Probably have to clear out my cushions first, so I have room. Let's do it. So I got my brackets installed. It kind of makes sense. I guess it unfolds like this, but my only question is, what is this bar for? And how is it supposed to fold with that bar in there? Oops. I'm just kind of confused. I don't know if the upholstery guy didn't put it back together right, or I get the legs. I mean, this goes to here, I guess, then this flips over or something. This would kind of go inside that little pocket, I'm guessing. But if that bar wasn't there, that makes sense. You got a little strap. This flips over. I'm confused. What am I missing? I might just take that bar off and see what it does without it. I'll probably read in the comments and be like, oh, I don't know, maybe it's just really late and I don't get it. Or I just don't get it. Oh well. Let's take the bar off and see what it does. There we go. I took it apart and I flipped it over. Now the leg is in the bottom and that's basically a support foot. That makes a lot more sense. A lot more sturdy. And now I could be able to fold it and put it away. Cool, look at that. And there we go. Still have my central vacuum system on it, awesome. All the cushions are in, looking great. Very comfortable. There's a really chill area, not bad. Hanging out. Still kind of confused how this becomes a bed with all the mattress and stuff, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so basically I took it and I unfolded it. I have found my other mattress blocks basically, so that's how it's gonna look like for the other bed, which isn't bad at all. Fit nicely in there, not too bad. Get that covered up, you're good to go. Alright guys, so that's all the time we have for today for this video, but we are definitely gonna get this camper knocked out as soon as possible. Like I said, camp day is less than 1 day away. We're gonna get this thing together, finish up that other bed, make sure everything works, and hit the road and go camping. I mean, honestly, it is a very ambitious time schedule, but it's very motivating. You know, we're gonna get it done, knock it out, and move forward. Let's keep going. There's probably some little details of the finish up after, but that's all good. Let's get it done. So make sure you turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any more videos coming up. We're gonna get this thing moving forward and knocked out shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support and all the comments. Thank you.